What is this gain? Gain is the ratio of any output electrical quantity to the input electrical quantity. This electrical quantity may be either voltage or this can be current. So it is the ratio of output voltage to input voltage or output current to input current. This ratio of output voltage to input voltage is called as voltage gain. The ratio of output current to input current is called as current gain. Because the ratio we are taking, there is no units for the gain. For example, it is the ratio of output voltage to input voltage. So the units for the output voltage volts and units for the input voltage volts. In the denominator and the numerator we have same units. So whenever we want to express the gain, we express by using decibels. The gain of single stage we can measure. But if we are having more than one stage, this is the first stage, multi-stage amplifier. Second stage, this is the third stage. This is output 1, output 2, output 3. Now which output we have to take for the gain? If this is input 1, the output 1 by input 1 is giving gain A1. And similarly, this output 1 is becoming the input for the next stage. So this output 2 by input 2 is giving gain A2. And output 3 by input 3. This output 2 is becoming input for the output 3. So this is giving the gain A3. Because we have the individual gains A1, A2, A3, the total gain of this multi-stage amplifier is the product of A1, A2, A3. But practically, we do not observe the product, whatever if we are getting 100, the product, we do not observe the gain 100 practically. We observe a little amount of loss in the gain. Why the loss is observed in the gain? Because of the loading effect. Whenever we are taking the RC coupled amplifier, because of the collector resistor that is causing the loading effect, for the next stage, the gain is decreased. And similarly, when we are taking the transformer coupled amplifier, the secondary winding is trying to create the loading effect in the next stage. So that's why the gain is being decremented. So by using this loading effect, we are understanding that the practical gain is less than the theoretical gain. Okay? So we have discussed gain is the ratio of any output electrical quantity to input electrical quantity. So it can be either output voltage by input voltage or output current by input current. And the gain is always expressed in the form of the decibels because the gain has no units. And the gain of a single stage amplifier is output by input. For getting the gain of multi-stage amplifier, we have to take the gain of individual stages and we have to multiply the gain of individual stages for getting the gain of the total multi-stage amplifier. Okay.